Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make red amaranthus fry. Red amaranthus has a lot of health benefits as it is rich in proteins, essential amino acids, dietary fiber and minerals such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, copper and zinc. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have a bunch of red amaranthus. Separate the leaf from the stem and you can discard the stem. Likewise, remove all the leaves and keep it ready. Now chop the leaves into small pieces. Keep ready the chopped amaranthus. Now we can start the preparation. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. To this add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and urud dal. Allow them to splutter. Then add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 dried red chillies, few curry leaves and 1 onion finely chopped. Saute well until the onions are transparent. Now to this add the chopped red amaranthus. Mix well for 5 minutes in medium flame until they are completely done. Now the amaranthus is well done and ready, so add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Mix it well and our delicious red amaranthus fry is ready. Serve it hot with some sambar rice or rasam rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, easy and an instant side dish recipe. So do try this red amaranthus fry recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.